Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Adira Ifa binti Hamzah. My number registry is 13DDT20F2018. Today, me and my friend want to presentation our problem-based task for subject database. At question 1, we have to pick out one of the titles. We choose the title Cinema Ticket Management System. The first question for first Roman has 4 related tables related to the selected title. The 4 tables we use for our cinema ticket management system are customer, ticket, payment, and staff. Before creating table, must create database using Oracle. Click on Express application and then our database username put TGV Cinema Ticket. Also must put Express application name for username, password, and confirm password. After that, must click create workspace. The database has been created. Then click here to log in database and log in again TGV Cinema Ticket database. Click SQL workshop to create first table for customer using SQL command in Oracle. For the first table customer, we use the SQL command is create table customer. Open the bracket, then have a customer ID, customer name, number phone, email, and date of birth for the customer. Customer ID, we put data type for voucher 2 with length 5. For the customer name, voucher with length 20. Next, number phone, also voucher 2 with length 13. For email, data type is voucher 2 with length 35. And date of birth, data type is date. For primary key table customer, put to customer ID. The SQL command for the primary key, we put the primary key customer underscore pk constraint, open the bracket, cast ID, close bracket, and semicolon. Then click run and the table has been created. For second table is ticket. SQL command for creating table for ticket is create table, open the bracket. Then for column 1 is ticket underscore ID. Using data type voucher 2 with length 5 and not null. Column 2 is movie underscore name. Data type is voucher 2 with length 15. For column 3, movie underscore date. Data type is date. Next, for column 4 is movie underscore time using data type voucher 2 with length 20. For column 5 is hall, data type number with length 1. Next, for column 6 is seat using data type voucher 2 with length 3. For column 7 is venue for voucher 2 with length 15. For column 8 is adult. Data type is number with length 1. Next, for column 9 is children. Data type number with length 1. And column 10 is price. Data type is voucher 2 with length 20. The SQL command for the primary key, we put the primary key ticket underscore pk constraint, open the bracket, ticket underscore ID, close bracket, semicolon. Then click run and the table has been created. For the second Roman, the main table for the customer must consist 15 records. So we use SQL command which is insert all into customer, open bracket, cast underscore ID, comma, cast underscore name, comma, number underscore phone, comma, email, comma, date of birth, close bracket, values, open bracket, apostrophe E1001 apostrophe, comma, apostrophe Haliza apostrophe, comma, apostrophe 011-35254232 apostrophe, comma, apostrophe Haliza9@gmail.com, apostrophe 01/11/1978 apostrophe close bracket, and enter the next record until it contains 50 records for customer. Select all from dual, then click run, and the record has been inserted. For the third Roman, the main table for the ticket must consist 20 records. So we use SQL command, which is insert all into ticket open bracket, ticket underscore ID, comma, movie underscore name, comma, movie underscore date, comma, movie underscore time, comma, hall, comma, seat, comma, venue, comma, adult, comma, children, comma, price, close bracket, values, open bracket, apostrophe A9001 apostrophe, open bracket, apostrophe A9001 apostrophe, comma, apostrophe mat kilau, apostrophe, comma, apostrophe 1/5/2020, apostrophe, comma, apostrophe 1:30 p.m. apostrophe, comma, 1, comma, apostrophe A1 apostrophe, comma, apostrophe Setia City Mall apostrophe, comma, 2, comma, 1, comma, apostrophe RM 55 ringgit apostrophe, close bracket, then enter the next record until it contains 20 records for tickets, and lastly select all from dual, then click run, and the record has been inserted.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Akilah binti Tumiran and my number matric is 13GT20F2016. For my part is to create table and insert record for payment and admin. Firstly, we create a table at the SQL Oracle. To create the table, must create at the SQL Oracle and then go to the SQL command. For the table payment, first create table payment, open bracket, and then for the column 1 payment ID and the data type is varchar 5. Column 2 is movie name and the data type is a varchar 50. Column 3 is movie date, data type is date. Column 4 is movie time, data type is varchar 30. Column 5 is payment method, data type is varchar 13. For the column 6 is ticket ID and the data type is varchar 5. For the column 7 is price and the data type is varchar 14. So constraints payment ID PK primary key is a payment ID. Constraint VK ticket, foreign key at the ticket ID. Reference at the table ticket, the foreign key is ticket ID. Close the bracket and put the semicolon. Click the button right until the result show the table created. Next, to create table admin at the SQL Oracle also. First, open the SQL Oracle and go to SQL Workshop. And to create the command, go to the SQL commands. Create table admin, open bracket. For the column 1 is admin ID, data type is varchar 5. Column 2 is admin name, data type is varchar 20. Column 3 is contact number, data type is varchar 30. Okay, constraint admin PK primary key, admin ID and close bracket and put a semicolon, and then click the button right until the result show the table created. For the table time record is table payment. The command of insert is insert all into payment, open bracket, write a column name, close bracket, values, open bracket, write a experience, close bracket, and for the lastly, select all from dual, close the semicolon and click the run, and then the result will be shown the row are insert. Table 5 record is a table admin. The command is insert all into admin, open bracket, write a name column and close the bracket, values, open bracket, write a experience, close bracket, and the lastly is selects all from the well, close a semicolon and click the run, and then the result will be show the 5 record insert.
For question 2A, bold the command parameter statement for the execution of listener 2. First Roman for start, and then type connect /s sys dba semicolon, and then SQL is connected. After that, type setup semicolon. Display statement could not start already dash running Oracle. After that, type $lsnrctl start semicolon, and the output is display. For the second Roman is stop. For the command to stop is $lsnrctl stop semicolon. The output is display. And third Roman is check availability. For command line to check availability is site $lsnrtl status semicolon. The output is display. B. Bold the Oracle command that provide information about how the memory underscore target parameter should be sized based on current sizing and satisfaction metric. SQL command is select all from v$site memory underscore target underscore advanced semicolon. The output is display and has several selected.
Question 3 for the first Roman is build the SQL statement to create new username Larissa with an initial password of change this now. This question must create at the run SQL command line. And then first is connect /has sys dba semicolon and enter, then connected. And second is create user Larissa and identify it by change this now. Change this now is a initial password for the Larissa and enter, and user created. Question 3 for the second Roman is you have the necessary privilege as a database administrator, and you can also change another user password. Construct the SQL statement to change the password for the Larissa account. The new password is change new. So open the run SQL command line and create alter user Larissa and identify it by change new. Change new is a new password for Larissa and put a semicolon and enter, then user alter it. Question 3 for the third Roman is build the SQL statement to grant the insert, update, delete, and select privilege for the customer table to Larissa. Firstly, must create table customer and then grant, select, insert, update, and delete. Okay, for the command create table is create table customer, open bracket, fname varchar 50 semicolon, lname varchar 20 semicolon, hint close bracket and semicolon, enter, and table created. For the command grant is grant, select, insert, update, delete, enter, on customer, enter to Larissa and close semicolon and enter grant success date. Question 3 for the fourth Roman is develop the SQL statement to grant all object privilege for the orders table to Larissa. Firstly, must create table at the SQL and then grant all order to Larissa. Okay, the command is create table orders and open bracket. For the line 3 is order ID number 20 semicolon. Line 4 is customer ID number 20 semicolon. Line 5 is product name varchar 50 and line 6 is close bracket and semicolon and enter, table created. For the command grant is type the grant all on order to Larissa and semicolon enter grant success rate.